Hello Saleh. This is a quick video description of a proposal for your home remodeling. I have started by evaluating the structural components of the existing house, based on the 3D model you had previously sent me. I then proceeded to expand the windows on the first and second floors, to let more natural light inside the house. Logically, letting direct sunlight through large windows involves higher air conditioning usage and dependence, so some shading is also required. So I imagined the proposed solution, which can be described as a retractable hydroponic garden, which also serves as an awning that provides shade from the high sun. This system is supported by the 4 iconic Sun Hawks, as I have named them, which consist of steel frames attached to the existing structure, and include a tensile canvas to provide shade from the lateral morning and evening sun. I opened up the wall on the 3rd floor and incorporated 3 small arched gates, which can use climbing plants as screens to maintain the privacy offered by the existing layout, but also allow users a view from inside, without being seen from outside. When you open the gates, you can retract the garden for maintenance, seeding, planting, and harvesting. A hydroponic garden requires low water usage, but it does require it to be cyclical, meaning that it would require low power water pumping to recover the water that flows by gravity into recovery tanks that could be placed inside the Sun Hawk steel frames. Of course, it would need water tanks on the 3rd floor to store the water from the recovery tanks. These hydroponic green roofs have been used in Costa Rica in locations with low water and gardening land availability. As I believe this is the natural situation where you live, discounting the existing aqueducts, I thought it might be a nice addition with a dual purpose. The Sun Hawks are completely inspired by my journey to Kuwait over 10 years ago, from an adventure I shared with Felix during our trip to Failaka Island. These two elements, the gardens and the hawks, mean to bring two cultures together. They can be modified to fit any other facade or window frame. I really hope you like it. Cheers!